in Granbury. We're at the beach. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Oh my god. Wow.
Just break a piece, see if they like it.
Damn. Eat it. Damn. I always remember my 24th birthday when we were over here, and there was like, and I remember my Danielle was gonna like bring some chicken over to one of them on the beach. You remember that, Erica?
I remember that there's this guy that I don't know who the fuck he is, but he's trying to throw his shit with me.
What dude?
Some fucking retard about this person.
Some what? Damn. You talking about the guy you work with?
No.
Mhm.
This person.
Damn. So who is this dude you're talking about? Excuse you, nasty. How you even know this guy, Erica?
I don't, that's what I mean. I don't know what the fuck you said shit to me.
Damn. Jeez. Yeah, my 24th birthday, we watched on this thing. I remember. Huh?
Which guy?
I don't know what dude she's talking about. She's talking about some guy that's trying to start shit with her.
Yeah.
Probably Stefan. Shit, Stefan's king of trying to start shit with people. Anyway, Cheryl's in the bathroom. She's probably gonna chill over there until we're done because she's only walking. Yep, I'm not surprised. Yeah, earlier we went in the McDonald's. We went to one in the park. We did the whisper challenge. I'm gonna be uploading that video. Shut the fuck up, Steven. Shut up. Yeah. It's nice today. The weather's weird. It's cold and it's like hot at the same time. Very nice. Jeez.
At the hotel stayed in one day.
Was it nice?
It was me and Ray.
That hotel is expensive, Steven.
But he paid for it. I didn't pay for it.
Jesus. It's an expensive ass hotel. You know what I should do?
When we was down here visiting his dad. Not dad.
Erica, I have an idea. We should do the story time about the time we left school and came over here and got caught.
Okay.
Yeah. Later, Erica and me we're gonna tell you about that story. Yeah, we got in trouble. Yeah, it's very fucking interesting because we got, yep, every time we come to this beach, I'm reminded, oh yeah, this is time me and Erica walked over here when we were seniors in high school. Yep.